Hello again, everyone, and welcome back. First things first, what exactly is honey? Well, it's not just a delicious sweetener, it's a magical creation by bees. Bees collect nectar from flowers, mix it with enzymes in their mouths, and then store it in honeycombs. Through some bee alchemy, that nectar transforms into honey, nature's sweet masterpiece. Now, what sets honey apart? One word: preservation. Honey's low water content and acidic pH create an environment that's inhospitable to bacteria and microorganisms. It's like nature's own preservative, locking in the goodness and preventing spoilage. Let's take a trip back in time to the oldest known jar of honey. Archaeologists discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old. Yes, you heard it right. 3,000 years. The remarkable thing is that this honey was still perfectly edible. Talk about a timeless treat. Now, let's get into the science of why honey never spoils. Its low water content, around 17 to 18%, leaves little room for microorganisms to thrive. The acidic pH of honey, typically ranging from 3 to 4, creates an environment where bacteria struggle to survive. It's like a fortress that stands the test of time. Honey also has this cool trick called hygroscopy. It means honey can absorb moisture from the air, further inhibiting microbial growth. So, not only does honey keep itself in check, but it can also fend off potential spoilers from its surroundings. And there you have it, the sweet mystery of why honey never spoils. From the basics of how bees create it to the remarkable preservation powers locked within, honey is truly nature's timeless treat. So, the next time you dip your spoon into that jar of liquid gold, remember the magic behind its everlasting sweetness. If you found this exploration as sweet as honey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more delightful journeys into the wonders of the world. Until next time, stay curious and keep savoring the sweetness of life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily dose of facts.